Namaskar, welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today we are going to learn the third asana, Trikonasana. So let's get started. The technique for Trikonasana: make 3.5 feet distance between both the legs, raise both the hands parallel to the shoulders, exhale bending forward, and we move our right palm to our left toe, and then lift your left hand up. Keep gazing to your left hand. Now start bending slowly lateral towards the left side and keep gazing on your palm, and then come back in the center. Breathe out. You will repeat the same thing to your right side. Give a nice twist to your spine. Feel your spine. And then you will slowly come back in the center. Inhale and come up. Exhale both the hands by your side. Bring your feet together and then stand erect. I'll be also showing you from the lateral sides. Again, you keep a distance. Inhale, raise your both the hands sideways. Exhale. So you can see my hips are pushing back and I'm bending from my pelvic area. Also, I'll keep my trunk parallel to the ground. So this asana is very good posture. This asana has also come through tradition. It has been described widely in modern yoga texts. We assume a triangular form through this practice. Hence it is called Trikonasana or triangle pose. The remembrance point is, do not bend knees while practicing this posture. Also judge your limitation. Try to feel your body. Benefits and limitations are, it makes the spine flexible. Those suffering from cervical, lumbar spondylitis, hypertension should not practice this posture. Key point is, you can measure your foot like this by taking your foot distance for 3.5 foot distance. Also, you can see my heels are parallel to each other, toes are pointing in front. So these things are very important, and you can see a triangle shape. Also, the alternate methods I'll be showing you is, I'm using a block, or if you do not have blocks at home, you can use a bunch of books to place your palms down if you cannot reach to the ground. So this is Trikonasana, and then you can come back. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and comment below. Did you check my previous video of this series? Then go check it out. Thank you. Stay blessed.